Tretinoin is a great product and we all know how great it is for acne, wrinkles, fine lines, and the fact that it made my skin go from this to this in just 1 month. But Tretinoin can also do the opposite. It can turn a face looking like this into a face like this, if not used correctly. So in this video, we are gonna look into 6 important things not to do while using Tretinoin. Avoid sun exposure without protection. Tretinoin will surely make your skin more sensitive to the sun's UV rays. It is crucial to wear sunscreen with minimum SPF 50 whenever you go outside. Even on cloudy days, reapply your sunscreen every 4 hours, especially if you are spending times outdoors. Plus, also try to use other protective products like umbrella or a big hat to shield your skin from the sun. Avoid using excessive amount. Using more Tretinoin than necessary won't give you any better results. In fact, it will increase the side effect. A pea-sized amount is typically sufficient for the entire face. Gently applied in a thin, even layer, and avoid applying excessive pressure. Using more than the recommended amount won't give you any faster result, but it will surely increase dryness, redness, itchiness, and skin peeling. Don't combine Tretinoin with harsh products. Using Tretinoin in combination with harsh or irritating skincare products can increase skin sensitivity and the risk of side effects. Avoid using products that contains alcohol or exfoliating agents like AHA, BHA. These ingredients can strip the skin of its natural oil and cause excessive dryness. Go for a gentle, non-comedogenic skincare products that won't interfere with the effectiveness of Tretinoin. Don't give up too soon. Tretinoin might take time to show noticeable improvements to your skin. It is not an overnight solution and results can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months to become apparent. It's important to be patient and consistent with your Tretinoin uses. Avoid giving up permanently, as discontinuing the medicine too soon can prevent you from experiencing its full benefit. Don't pick, scrub or exfoliate harshly. While using Tretinoin, it is important to avoid the urge to pick the skin or engage in aggressive scrubbing or exfoliating. Tretinoin works by increasing the cell turnover, and excessive irritation can disrupt the process and lead to more inflammation and redness. Be gentle with your skin and avoid any harsh scrubbing and exfoliating techniques. Don't use Tretinoin too frequently. When starting Tretinoin, it is important to gradually introduce it to your skin. Using it too frequently from the beginning can overwhelm your skin and lead to excessive dryness and irritation. Start with using Tretinoin every other night and then gradually increase the frequency of the product. If you want to know how I transform my skin from this to this by using Tretinoin, the benefits of Tretinoin, how to use it properly, and how you can avoid purging face of the Tretinoin, then comment secret in the comment box. If I get 100 comments, I'll surely make a dedicated video on that. Now subscribe my channel so that we can meet again. Bye bye.